What's going on, everyone? It's your piggy bank here today. We're cutting through the noise and focusing on what really matters for long-term gains. Growth. I've got my top 5 growth stock picks for you right here. I'm hyped to break down 5 companies that I believe have the potential to absolutely explode in 2025. Investing in growth stocks always comes with its own set of risks, but if you're looking for companies that are pushing boundaries, disrupting industries, and have the potential to generate some serious returns, then you're in the right place. Over the next few minutes, we'll be dissecting each company, taking a look at their recent performance, their future prospects, and what really sets them apart from the competition. Let's get right into it. First up, we're talking about Palantir Technologies, a company that's been making waves in the world of big data and analytics. They specialize in building software platforms for data analysis, and their clients include some of the biggest names in the government and commercial sectors. One of the things that really gets me excited about Palantir is their recent earnings report. They absolutely crushed it. Revenue has been growing at a breakneck pace, and they've been securing major contracts left and right. Just last quarter, they inked a massive deal with the U.S. Army, and their commercial business is also booming. Palantir is at the forefront of some truly groundbreaking technological advancements. Their artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities are next level, and they're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in data analytics. Palantir has been a bit of a battleground stock, with some investors questioning whether their current valuation is justified. But I truly believe that Palantir has the potential to dominate the data analytics market for years to come. This is a company you definitely want to keep on your watch list. Alright, moving on to our next growth stock, we've got AppLovin, a company that's capitalizing on the unstoppable growth of the mobile app market. AppLovin is a leading mobile app marketing platform that helps developers get their apps in front of the right users. Think of them as the middleman connecting app developers with millions of potential customers. The mobile app market is absolutely exploding, and AppLovin is riding that wave like a pro surfer. Their revenue growth has been nothing short of phenomenal, and they've been consistently profitable, which is always a good sign. AppLovin operates in a highly competitive space, with giants like Google and Facebook vying for a piece of the pie. However, AppLovin has managed to carve out a strong niche for themselves, and they've got a few key advantages up their sleeve. Their platform is incredibly sophisticated, using advanced algorithms and machine learning to optimize app marketing campaigns. They also have a massive amount of data on user behavior, which gives them a huge leg up on the competition. Looking ahead, AppLovin is well positioned to continue their growth trajectory. Chapter 3. Nvidia Corp. NVDA, the undisputed king of GPUs. Now let's talk about a company that needs no introduction. Nvidia, the absolute king of graphics processing units or GPUs. You already know Nvidia for their dominance in the gaming world, but what you might not realize is that their GPUs are also powering the AI revolution. From self-driving cars to cloud computing, Nvidia's chips are the brains behind some of the most cutting-edge technologies out there. And their data center business is booming, with revenue skyrocketing as companies rush to adopt AI and machine learning. But Nvidia isn't resting on their laurels. They're constantly innovating and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with GPUs. They're investing heavily in research and development, and they're always one step ahead of the competition. When you're investing in a company like Nvidia, you're not just buying a piece of their current business. You're buying into their future potential. Nvidia's future is looking incredibly bright. Chapter 4. Archer Aviation, ACHR, taking off into the future of transportation. Now let's shift gears and talk about a company that's literally taking transportation to new heights. Archer Aviation. Archer is developing electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, or EVTOLs, and they're on a mission to revolutionize urban air mobility. Imagine a future where you could hop into an EVTOL and soar above traffic, getting you to your destination faster, cheaper, and with a much smaller carbon footprint. Archer has made incredible progress in developing their eVTOL technology. They've already conducted multiple successful test flights, and they're working closely with the FAA to secure certification for their aircraft. In fact, they're aiming to launch commercial operations as early as 2024. Archer understands that building a successful eVTOL company requires strong partnerships. They've partnered with United Airlines, who have placed a massive order for Archer's eVTOLs, and they're also working with car giant Stellantis to manufacture their aircraft. The potential rewards are enormous. Chapter 5. Joby Aviation, Joby. The race to dominate the skies. Finally we come to our last but certainly not least growth stock, Joby Aviation. Like Archer, Joby is also a major player in the eVTOL space and they're locked in an intense battle for market dominance. Joby has been developing their eVTOL technology for over a decade, and they've amassed a treasure trove of patents and intellectual property. They've also secured significant funding from investors like Toyota and Uber. Archer, on the other hand, has been moving at lightning speed, rapidly iterating on their designs and securing key partnerships. They've also taken a more capital-efficient approach, leveraging existing manufacturing capabilities through their partnership with Stellantis. The eVTOL market is still in its infancy, and there's plenty of room for multiple players to succeed. Both Joby and Archer have the potential to be major disruptors in the transportation industry. So there you have it, 5 explosive growth stocks that I believe have the potential to make some serious waves in the years to come. Which of these companies are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And while you're at it, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future stock market breakdowns and investment insights. Also, don't forget to check out the recommended videos for more insights and tips. See you in the next video.